It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 12th of February. I'm Michael Groff. Unsettled weather will be the rule around here this week. Plenty of clouds, chances of rain. Just how much rain we get, still a little bit of a question mark. We'll also see cooler temperatures, so a much-needed break in our dry weather pattern, finally. Let's talk about it as we look at the almanac from yesterday. 76 degrees the high in the valley after a morning low of 58. We're more than an inch behind where we should be on our rainfall already for the year, but hopefully we'll be putting a dent in that deficit. Outside right now here at 7:45 a.m., we've got mostly cloudy skies in the valley, 55 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points up to 44, humidity 67%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, most of us are in the 50s at this hour. The water vapor satellite view shows an upper low now over the Great Basin, and that is helping to draw moisture northward into Arizona this morning. And that'll be the main focus for scattered showers later today and tomorrow, as we'll talk about. On the watch warning map, some red flag advisories in parts of southeast Arizona, wind advisories up across the northern part of our state, and the potential for some winter weather as well. Also, winter weather advisories through the west. Much of the rest of the country is pretty quiet. On the convective outlook, there could be an isolated thunderstorm in far northern Arizona today and around the Four Corners, as well as parts of the southeast U.S., but no severe weather is expected. And precipitation around here for the next 7 days, coming from the guys over at the WPC, around 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch for us here in the valley. These numbers have actually come down just a little bit in recent days. And we'll talk about why that is and take a look at the model trends now as we go out to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars. There's that upper low over the Great Basin. And just above the surface and up through the mid-levels, we'll have a good southerly flow, bringing in some moisture into the region. Down at the surface, synoptically today, the sky is mostly cloudy and we'll have high temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s with widely scattered showers developing over the favored upslope areas north and east of Phoenix. Could see a shower or two here in the valley today as well. This is the HRRR model this afternoon at 3 o'clock, looking at the high-res models, and they're all pretty much on board here with the idea of at least some widely scattered showers. But even if we see anything here in the valley, they'll be pretty light, pretty brief showers, nothing overly widespread or heavy. If you have outdoor activities or you have plans this afternoon or tonight, shouldn't ruin them, but do keep in mind that you could run into a few passing showers. Otherwise, tonight, mostly cloudy skies continue. Slight chance of showers, lows mostly in the upper 40s to mid-50s. Tomorrow, same deal, mostly cloudy skies, slight chance of showers, high temperatures, mid and upper 60s. Now, on Wednesday, many of the models had been suggesting a cutoff low developing somewhere off the Southern California coast and plenty of moisture being advected northward and a very good soaking rain event for us here in the Southwest. Unfortunately, the last few solutions have been backing off of this scenario, and now it just looks like this will be more of a transient type system, a more progressive pattern, and the low doesn't totally cut off, and there's not as much moisture associated with it. So still, Wednesday looks like a mostly cloudy day with a chance of showers, and high temperatures again mid and upper 60s. Wednesday night, Thursday, probably the best chance for us to see some rain. I'd say at this point, probably about a 50-50 shot, with mostly cloudy skies and, again, temperatures, lows mostly in the 40s and low 50s, highs in the 60s. Friday, most of that gets on out of here. Could still see an isolated shower somewhere across the state, but it does look like we will be drying out. High temperatures, upper 60s, low 70s. Saturday looks pretty good. Partly cloudy skies, low 70s. Sunday, partly cloudy, low 70s. This is a week from today, Monday, the 19th of February, troughing north of the state. Otherwise, westerly flow, some high clouds, highs, upper 60s, low 70s. Same thing as we go to Tuesday, the 20th, and then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period, Wednesday, the 21st of February, and that still looks relatively dry. Another short wave dropping down the west coast. Could that cut off and give us another round of unsettled weather? Perhaps sometime middle and latter part of next week. Still way too early to tell. Let's check the temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble through the period. Highs right around where they should be for this week and into the weekend, maybe a little bit above average at some point. But overall, I think temperatures will be relatively in bounds of where they should be for this time of year. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is going to come back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a great Monday.